Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Compliments of the season. It's a couple of days after Christmas and I hope we all had wonderful, colorful celebrations. We're getting closer to the new year 2024, so I need you all to stay safe and do the Lord's work, if you know what I mean. Now today, from the title, I am going to be trying out the VEET Silky Fresh Hair Removal Cream. This is for sensitive skin, body and legs with 35% less chemicals. I stopped using hair remover when I was in university. For some reason, I preferred to shave my underarms. And I don't shave my legs, so I prefer to shave my underarms just because this was burning my skin at the time. So I've been shaving ever since. But I want something different right now. I just want to try this new formulation because from what I've read, it's been reformulated to better suit the skin. So why not give it a try? So yeah, let me get into the product before I use it for the very first time on camera. So this is the VEET Silky Fresh Hair Removal Cream. Long-lasting smoothness, 35% less chemicals. This is for sensitive skin, body and legs with a fresher smell. This is dermatologically tested. Now it has the instructions on how to use this product on the side of the box. So make sure that if you do get it, you read the instructions beforehand, and always do a patch test before using this product. Right, so instructions: use the curved spatula. Using the curved part of the spatula, spread the VEET cream evenly to fully coat the hair. Leave the cream on your skin for 5 minutes and then use the spatula to gently remove a test area of cream. If the hair comes away easily, use the wider or narrower end of the spatula depending on your body part to remove the rest. If your hair is more stubborn, you can leave the cream on for up to 10 minutes in total, but don't leave it any longer. Rinse your skin thoroughly with water to remove the cream and then dry. So that's that. Now, this product is suitable both for women and men. Read instructions. Not suitable. Do not exceed 10 minutes total application time. Suitable for use on the legs, arms, underarms, and bikini line. Not suitable for use on the head, face, eyes, nose, ears, around the anus, genitals, and nipples, or any other body parts. Now, do not use on varicose veins, scars, moles, spotty, broken, irritated, sunburnt skin, or on skin that has had an adverse reaction to hair removal creams in the past. Always leave 72 hours between hair removal sessions. Now, it's been almost, if not more than a decade since I used this product, so I think I passed that part of the test. Now, before every use, test your skin reaction by applying and removing the product to a small part of the area, blah, 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 blah. Please make sure you read before using this product. Now, I know it says, now after use, we recommend waiting 24 hours before using any antiperspirant or any other perfumed product, using artificial tanning equipment, swimming, or sunbathing. So after using this, you're going to stay away from your deodorant, roll-on sprays, and avoid the swimming pool because I think that has chlorine. So avoid the pool and all that. So the ingredients are written at the bottom of the pack. This has what it has. So if you are interested to know what it contains, so make sure you read that. Now, this is manufactured in France for Nigeria, Reckitt Benckiser Nigeria Limited, and done all that good stuff. Yeah, so let's get right into using this product. This product comes sealed. The instructions are on the tube as well, so if you forget the pack at home, then you can just follow the instructions on the tube. I'm just going to break the seal. That wasn't hard. Seal broken. So, right. So I'm going to use the spatula to apply, but fortunately for me, my mirror is on the left side of this camera. So I'm just going to try my possible best. Can I see anything here? To apply this while just looking. I'm going to take this quantity and apply. Just looking and making sure that everything is fully coated. I hope I am in view. So with this, this smells, well, it doesn't smell as bad as I remember. So I'm just going to apply. And get an even coat over that. In this case, more is more. So to make sure that I have everything covered, I'm not going to be stingy with this cream. I'm going to just be very generous. I'm going to do the same thing to my other arm. And come into view here. Now, for me, underarm hair is something I don't mind having. I feel it just helps to balance perspiration under my arms and just it keeps the whole area sanitary. I feel like when you have less hair, I sweat a bit more when I have less hair in that area. So I prefer having hair, and I haven't shaved in a couple of, can I say weeks? Going on to how many months? No, let's say a couple of weeks. But I've left it for longer than I've left it for in the past. So, did I get everything? Okay, so let's see if I can move back a bit. Yeah, move back. So I think this arm is fully coated. Let me see this other arm. Right. Totally forgot this. Now this isn't smarting, it isn't stinging. It doesn't smell as bad or as horrid as I remember. And that was one of the reasons why I stayed away from it for so long, just because of how pungent hair remover smells. But this, ironically, doesn't smell as bad. You could still smell that signature hair remover smell, but it's not bad and it's not tingling, it's not hurting. I'm quite comfortable with this product under my arms. I just thought y'all should know. Okay, so 5 minutes, still counting. I'll be back. 5 minutes, timer's up. So let's stop this, dismiss, and then do like a check. Because instruction says 5 minutes. So we are going to check to see if we've got hair. Am I in frame? Do we have hair? Oh, we have some lifting. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it on a bit longer. Let me check on the first side I did. I think this side is more cooked. But let's leave it on for another 5 minutes. Five more minutes. 5 more minutes. I've left this hair over on for 10 minutes, give or take. So I'm going to start with the first side I applied to try and remove it. I don't have a mirror here, so this is going to be hard. But hey, let me wing it. Okay, so I'm being very gentle, irrespective of what it looks like on camera. Do you get everything? Oops. Is there still some hair? Yeah, I've left this product on for the maximum time I can leave it on. Okay, so that was the first arm. Whew. That was something. Tell me, what do you see? Okay, let's do the next arm. Let's get this out of the way. Ugh, this is, I think this is best done in the shower, if you ask me. This is satisfying to watch actually, so that I can actually see what I'm doing more properly. But this was a lot of hair. I don't know why I grow so much hair under my arms. Okay. So this is all the hair on the spatula. And these are my underarms. I'm going to rinse this off now with warm water. And I'll be back. I've washed off all the residual hair remover from under my arms, and this is what my underarms look like. Let me see if I can just come a bit closer without overwhelming the screen. I can see myself, but hey, can you see me? Okay, I think this is good. So this is what my right arm looks like. I think I got most of it out. I can still see some tiny hair follicles peeping out, but it's not a total clean, total removal per se. I still have like some tiny hair follicles. It's not a wax, so I think it just broke the hair down. But this is not a bad removal. I don't think I've ever actually used hair removal creams and had like total removal of the hair before, so I don't know. Now, this product, the VEET Silky Fresh Hair Removal Cream, it's not bad as far as hair removers go. Considering the fact that I haven't used the hair remover in a very long time, this was actually quite decent. Now, I left this on for, let's say, 10 to 12 minutes. I had a 10-minute timer going on, but in between setting up and, getting my camera ready and putting on mic, so let's say it did like 12 minutes under each arm because I applied them differently. So this is a 7/10 for me. Now, it still has that typical hair remover smell, especially towards the end when it had literally cooked the hair. It still had that smell and it lingers on the skin. So even though I've washed under my arms now, I'm just going to probably get some baby powder on there just to have that area smelling fresh. So if you've ever wanted to try this product, and you haven't used it, or you haven't used it in a very long time like myself, or you have not used it at all, any hair removal product, then I think this is a very good place to start. The sensitive skin. Once this tube is done, I'm probably going to move on to the normal, or should I say, the one that's just for regular skin. I'm probably going to move to that. I think maybe that would be a little bit more comfortable in the long run after going through this particular one. So, yeah. No. Okay. So, is it smarting? Is it stinging? Just slightly, especially after I used the spatula to remove the hair. It started tingling just a little bit. It's not something that's uncomfortable. It's just mild tingling. And like I said, I'm just going to put some powder under there just to calm everything down and let the hair follicles settle. So if you've ever wanted to get a hair remover cream, you could try this. I don't know if I'm ever going to wax. I don't think I like that level of pain. I know I have a relatively, would I say, medium scale threshold for pain, but I don't want to wax. Not quite yet. Now follow all the instructions and you'll be good when using this particular product. Now that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. And if I don't have a video out before the new year, Happy New Year, everyone. Bye.